Neil says, there's a strong sense of until or in the meantime with me. What do I do until I am fully immersed in myself? It's a sense of incompletion. A sense of incompletion. There's a strong sense of until or in the meantime with me. What do I do until I am fully immersed in myself? How can you get out of yourself? Can you perform this trick and show me? Any of you. Don't be the self. Show me. Show me how you are not the self. Don't be the awareness. Stop being aware right now. Can you stop? No awareness allowed here. Can you stop? Who's been able to stop? No? Can't stop being the awareness? Can you turn it off? Become completely unaware right now. Turn it off. Cannot do. Isn't it? Sounds funny. Yes. So we cannot turn it off. Now, stop being. Stop being. Don't be. So first we were stopping awareness, now we are stopping being. Don't be. Don't exist. No existence, no presence, no being, no consciousness. No? Can anyone do it? Therefore, it is said that what you are is ever present. It is not just another sentence to make us feel good. It is actually here and now. Truth is here right now. If truth would come and go, then it would not be the truth. If self could come and go, then it would not be the truth. So if you cannot stop being aware and you cannot stop being, then what else is there to do? So the true magic, the true black magic, if there was any, the true black magic was if somebody were to tell me that I am unaware and I am not being. If somebody can perform this trick, then that would be something interesting. What can stop you from being yourself? Name one point where you have not been yourself. You cannot stop. That's the whole game. That's why it's funny. That's why all of this is a joke. You do not need to carry anything. You do not need to carry your liberation. You do not need to carry your freedom. Nothing needs to be carried. If it is real, it cannot leave. Please remember this. There is nothing you have to do to get it here. It is already here. You have to work hard to delude yourselves. You do not have to work hard to find the truth. Neil is laughing uncontrollably like a child now. Wonderful, wonderful.